everybody, welcome back to the Laptop Job and the Work From Home Guru, one of my partners. We kind of help each other and help you if you're struggling to get over the financial hump, to provide for your family, to learn skills to work online jobs. We show you how to create a business and how to go out and find jobs online. So whatever you need, we have it here. Make sure you guys visit thelaptopjob.com for great content, courses, a lot of things here great for you. So today we are going to be talking about, and subscribe to thelaptopjob.com on YouTube as well as the Work From Home Guru. Today we're going to talk to you about the last transcription provider you'll ever need. Now, if you guys don't know, there's a ton of jobs out there. You can work from home, a lot of great stuff. You don't need a lot of skills. You don't need money. All you need is your time and a laptop. Now, I love this one right here. First of all, you want to go to 1-888-typeitup.com. 1-888-typeitup.com. I love this company. I think it's great. Let me tell you why. Well, actually, let this little video tell you why real quick. So you guys see this right here? The average transcription company pays its transcriptions $2 to $5 per work hour. And it takes you about 4 to 5 work hours for one actual hour of transcription. So what that means is you're making $10 for working 5 hours. That's not a very good deal. Let me show you why I like this company. One, they're based in the US. They believe in helping people as far as actually working and doing a great job for their citizens. And let me get to it right here. Again, average transcription company pays its transcriptionists $2 to $5. They pay 10 to 15, boom, right there. That's what you want to see. If you're looking for an online job, you want to find a good company that's reputable and that's going to pay you for your time. We live in America. We live in all over the world. And $2 an hour ain't going to feed ourselves. It ain't going to feed our family. It ain't going to pay rent. That's why you got to find a good job. 10 to 15 bucks in your free time. Now we're talking. Now we can make some money. We can pay off some debt. We can, do whatever we have to do for our kids, for ourselves. In our free time, in the morning before they get up, in the evening when they go to bed, get on our grind, hustle, and we can make some extra money. So that's why I love this company. Now let's go over here for a little bit more. I'll tell you about this company here. Welcome to 188 Type It Up. We are proud to provide one of the leading and most trusted transcription services tailored for virtually any company or individual with audio or videos to transcribe. Again, this is handmade, meaning you're going to hand make this stuff in the USA. You're going to transcribe it. You're doing the work. The company's based out of the USA. Great company. Pays $10 to $15 an hour. Everyone else pays $2 to $5 an hour. We're in good shape so far. So, transcripts deliver the quality and accuracy and businesses and consumers love, which is great. You're delivering a great product to people that need it. If you are in need of transcription services, 188 Type It Up can bring your words together so you can bring your ideas to life with 24/7 live chat and phone support. This is great. You want to make sure you're working for a reputable company. They've got live chat all the time. That's awesome. Let's go back down to where we actually want to talk to you guys about. So we're looking for, down here, jobs. That's what we're here for, right? We're not here to hire these guys. We're here to work for them and make some money and get our hustle on. So I'm going to click on jobs. Transcription jobs. We need writers. $30 to $45 an hour. That's something different. That's an ad. Here at 188 Type It Up, we know that transcription requires hard work and skill. Contrary to what other transcription companies will have you believe, transcription isn't just something anyone can do. Let me tell you why I like this statement. A lot of these companies are going to try and sell you that anybody can do it. We all know that's not the case. Not anybody can do anything right off the bat. If you have some decent skills, you can get better at it and you can do something. But not everybody can go out and type 100 words a minute. Not that you have to, but not everybody can do that. Not everybody can go out and build a brick wall. It applies to everything. So as such, we're looking for the best and the brightest. That's you. We have many talented transcriptionists on our current team, but we're always looking for new talent. That's great. They're always looking for new talent. They're always looking to hire more. If you're interested in becoming a transcriptionist for the 188, type it up. Please fill out the job application below. We will do our best to respond to you as soon as we can. Please understand that we strive to keep the telephone lines open for clients. We ask no phone calls. This is very important. Important you guys follow the instructions that they're giving you here, because if you try and do something that they're not asking you to do, either they won't get your application or they won't call you back. So they're giving you instructions, and to be honest with you, this is part of the application process. They want to see how well you can follow direction. No phone calls. It's imperative that we test both your transcription accuracy and your ability to follow directions. See, boom. Ergo, any phone call from an applicant results in an automatic failure of the applicant's transcriptions test. We're reading this whole thing through because I don't want you to jump the gun and go straight to apply without actually reading the instructions they're giving you. This is very important. If you were to apply and then call them, you're done. You're off. You can't work for them anymore. So it's important you read all the directions all the way through and understand them and then move forward. So again, you apply, but don't call them because they're not going to answer the phone. And if they do answer the phone, you tell them what you're trying to do. Hey, I'm checking out my application. They're going to kick you out. If you have questions about the application process or working for us in general, we put together an application FAQ, which is frequently asked questions page, to answer most of the common questions received from the applicants on a daily basis. We note that we do not have a word per minute requirement. We are only interested in accuracy, not speed. What that means is you don't have to type 100 words a minute or 50 words a minute. You don't have to. But if you do want to practice on your speed, here's a website right here called Rate-A-Type, rate-a-type.com, and you can just type faster. You can learn. It gives you free tests on how to type faster. So that's a good training tool right there. Back to this guy. So we're only interested in accuracy. Now, if you've never transcribed before, you're going to want to go to Google and search free transcription training. And there's all kinds. Udemy has great tutorials. Go to Google, search free transcription training, and they're going to give you some ideas of what you can expect to do before you take your test. So you want to come over here to Google and type in free transcription training. Do that first. Find some tutorials. Find some free trainings online. There's tons out there. You can find what works best for you and practice before you go. Practice, it's like a job interview, right? You're going to practice questions. You're going to put a tie on. You're going to try and look nice, take a shower, comb your hair. Well, you want to prepare for this too. Just because it's online, don't not take it seriously. Make sure you guys spend the time to practice. They're paying you good money, so show up, be professional. And how you do that is you practice and understand what you're doing before you actually do it. So go to Google, type in free transcription training. Follow along here, find one, practice, and then come back to trans1888typeitup.com, and then you're going to go to apply. Now, there's all types of templates up here. So if you have a resume, you can upload it. If you don't, you can just fill out one of these resumes here. What it's going to do is, I'll show you. Choose a template, and then it's going to follow along. It's going to ask you questions about where you live, your email, your phone number, your previous job experience. If you need help with that, I have another video that I'm going to post as far as creating an online resume. But you're going to fill that out, hit apply. Now, here is the important part right here. Our reason I say you have to practice is because they do charge you for taking the exam. And the reason they do that is it's a very serious company, it's a very reputable company, and they don't want everybody just putting in their application because they think it's an easy job. That's not going to be beneficial for them. It's not beneficial to the client. So if you're willing to spend a little bit of money, then you can get your results back faster. And that means that you're serious. That means you've taken the time to actually study and to work on your skills as far as transcribing goes. Please note there's a non-refundable entrance exam fee of $59, which includes a 1-month processing time. So let's go over this so you're on the same page. I don't want you to be confused. No matter what, you got to pay $59 to apply. Again, that's because this company pays you well. They want good applicants who are serious, not just a bunch of jokers or robots trying to apply for their job. So for an additional charge, the standard processing time of exam results is 1 month. So for $59, it's 1 month. If you want to rush exam results, so if you take your exam and you want the results back faster, $140 to get them back in 9 hours, $40 to get them back in 1 week. Again, these fees are all non-refundable, so you got to be willing to put up the money. Processing time begins once you submit your completed entrance exam, not your application. So once the exam is done, the clock starts. Note that an automatic response with your results is not guaranteed, particularly for applicants who did not pass the exam. What that means is if you submit your application and they're not really happy with your background or they're not happy with your results, they might not contact you. They're just too busy. So if you don't get an answer back, then I think you can call them. So if they do want to hire you, of course they're going to contact you. Once your processing time has elapsed, please contact us via live chat, not email. So what that means is if you went on there and say you didn't pay anything extra, you paid this much money, a month passed, you haven't gotten your results back, come back to the website and go to live chat. And you can do that. Contact us down here. That's a live chat button. And then you can find out your results that way. If you've paid $40 and it's been a week and no results back, go in and contact them via live chat. Do not email, do not call. So that's it. It's pretty explanatory. A few things you want to take home. You want to practice, test your speed because you can put it on your resume, and make sure you practice transcribing, know exactly what it entails because this job pays good money. It's definitely worth the shot. Me personally, if I had the extra $40, I'd probably want my results back. I'm a little impatient, but you do what you do. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, The Work Guru, The Work From Home Guru, The Laptop Job, and go visit thelaptopjob.com for all your resources. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.